Hey guys, looking at a 2020 Camaro that I purchased for my wife a couple days ago. The car don't have that many miles on it, and my wife, being the driver that she is, has already let that truck go by. Has already curb checked the wheel, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. Won't take much, but we're going to get it fixed where you can't even from a distance notice it. I'm not going to say that right up on it you'll be able to not notice it, but we're going to see if we can't fix this. So stay tuned. Alright, so what we're going to do is first we're going to get the camera right. You didn't actually see. So what we've done is we've sanded this down. I've done this before the video, but we sanded it down. It may need just to be hit just a little bit more, but I don't want to go wild with it yet. I want to see how this color turns out. Sprayed a few things, see if I can get it to come close to matching. We're going to clean the wheel off and go from there. We'll be taping this off. We'll go ahead and make sure the area is free of any debris or anything. And we'll see how it turns out. I've already got most of it knocked down. I can still feel a little rough edge on it. But maybe after that, I've got the bought the Rust-Oleum spray with built-in primer. It doesn't quite have that flake in it, but in such a small area, I'm kind of hoping we don't notice it. Well, anyway, maybe that'll. We're gonna get a wet rag and wipe this down, and then we're gonna tape it off, and then we'll spray it and see how it turns out. Alright, we've got the side of the car. Side of the car completely, or I'm sorry, got the area where we're going to be spraying taped off and masked off. Maybe we can keep overspray from getting on this brand new car. Anyway, we're going to spray it with a light coat on the wheel, and we're going to see where it goes from there. Just hit it a couple spray times, and then we'll come back for a final coat. Stay tuned. Don't make fun of my tape job. I didn't go to school for taping or painting. I went to school to install car stereo. I didn't even go to school. I just did on-the-job training for that. So we're gonna see, just see if I'm handy, I guess. If this don't work, I guess the next step would probably be take it to an auto body shop, let them do it. Maybe I can limit with all this paper. I can limit how much I actually screw up of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to just spray a light coat. I'm going to get this out and get it going. Okay. Alright, we'll let that dry, and then when we're done, when it dries, we'll put another coat on it, see if we can't build it up a little bit, and then maybe it'll match a little better. Or maybe it'd be really hard to notice. Alright, we've let it dry to touch. It says on the can 20 minutes. I think we're getting close to that. It takes about 1 hour. about 24 hours to fully dry, but in Louisiana heat, I'm pretty sure we can step that up. I'm not a paint expert. I don't have that painter gene in me, but I do know how to read. So I'm just going to assume that it's going to take 24 hours for it to cure. I'm going to put the second coat on and see how it goes. I think the second coat's going to be enough to make this to where it's not noticeable. Like I said, I'm not claiming to say that I can repair this wheel all the way. Sanded it a little bit to get a lot of the scuffs out, but I'm going to go ahead and hit some final coats on it, or get a final coat on it as soon as the wind quits blowing. I'll let it keep overspray down. Then we might make a video on tinting the windows on this vehicle, which is my wife's. I believe that is going to be it. $4 can for about 6 sprays. We'll peel the tape off after it dries. Turn the can on. Alright, there's the final product. Wind's blowing kind of a little too bad for me to paint anymore. Maybe even tint. Especially in the shop I've got. Well ventilated. If you've ever been to this shop, you know what I mean. Well ventilated. Maybe one day we'll have something that actually not let so much trash and stuff in. But anyway, that's going to be it. I'm going to edit all this together, but I believe that, and that's just the way the light's hitting. That's not a scuff mark right there. Just the way the light was hitting it. She curb checked it pretty good. Nothing that couldn't be fixed, but anyway. The goal was just to get it to where it doesn't look as bad. Thanks for watching.